Today we're checking back in with Ethereum's ETH coin, performing some technical analysis and making some predictions on where we can expect to see ETH go in the near future. Let's get into it. Welcome into the Ethereum chart, guys. If you'd like to buy Ethereum's ETH coin or would like some free Bitcoin, there are a couple of links down in the description of today's video. But if you recall from my last video, I suggested we had the three black crows form themselves here, a very negative pattern. We then proceeded to see another big red day occur after that, where we saw a drop all the way to the low of $2,987.60 Ethereum. Not great. We have seen a few green days now, but we did break, unfortunately, our key support point at 3,160. It looks like we're testing that again right now and trying to break back through. And if we do, fantastic. But if we don't, we are going to continue to drop. So where would we drop to if this unfortunately does occur? Well, let's bring our support lines down and take a little peek at that. First and foremost, I would suggest that this right about here at 2,750 would be a major point of support for us. Reason being, we have not only seen this as a major breakthrough point in the past, we've also seen it as a major resistance point after we did drop through it back when we had a run in May of 2021. We've seen that it got broken through again previously. It's acted as support. So in my opinion, the amount of price action that's occurring at this point and the bounces you're sort of seeing from that point are very, very important. So I believe if we do continue to see a drop in the value of Ethereum, this is the next point we'll be ending up going to. As you can see as well, the red volume, whilst not major like the dumps we have seen here in the past, it is consistent. And you can see that reflected in the price action. So all in all, not too good. If we look at the RSI, you'll see that it is looking oversold. It is currently sitting below our 30 marker at 26.79. For me, this is an indicator that means Ethereum needs to start reversing in value, whether that be through a consolidation period or through a bull period. That remains to be seen. But it looks like now we are at the point of a reversal occurring. I'd be suggesting, depending on what occurs today, that we should now start to see a bit of an uptick. And hopefully with, I suppose, the three markers we can see there, the uptick occurs in this sort of a direction, but I actually do anticipate it to be a bit more shallow if it does occur, maybe like this, maybe a bit more sideways, but not a major boost until we do see, I suppose, some big buying volume starting to come back into place. MACD, let's have a quick look at that one as well. You can see they're both turning downwards, and I expect we'll see this volume start to coming in, buying volume and big reversal coming in when we see this 12-day EMA cross back above the 26-day EMA. And that is, in my opinion, where we're going to see a big uptick in the value of Ethereum. So, based on everything, what is my target for today's video? Well, ideally, we do not want to continue to see the value of Ethereum dropping. And given that we're oversold, I don't think we're going to see a dump within the next few days. Instead, what I think is going to happen is we're going to come back now above our key point of support at 3,160 and start slowly trending upwards in this sort of a fashion for a period of time until we see a cross of the 12-day EMA above the 26-day EMA, and we can then target that 3,630 mark. That wraps up our Ethereum analysis for today, guys. I'd love to hear your thoughts down in the comments section below, not only on Ethereum, but the overall state of the crypto market. Of course, if you did enjoy today's analysis, make sure you do leave a thumbs up. And if you want to see more of this sort of content, hit subscribe, turn on bell notifications, and stay tuned. With that, guys, I hope you have an awesome day. I'll see you next time. Cheers.